How to use UpCounsel intellectual property legal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most entrepreneurs assume using UpCounsel for intellectual property matters is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can compromise trademarks, patents, or copyrights. The first mistake is not clearly defining your IP needs. UpCounsel matches you with attorneys based on case details. Beginners who provide vague information may be paired with lawyers lacking the right expertise. Another common error is underestimating the importance of prior research. Patents, trademarks, and copyrights require searches to avoid conflicts. Beginners who skip this step risk rejections or infringement disputes. Many users also fail to discuss costs upfront. IP services can be expensive, and billing arrangements vary. Beginners who don't clarify fees may face unexpected bills. Neglecting ongoing IP management is another pitfall. Filing is just the first step. Renewals, monitoring, and enforcement matter. Beginners who stop after filing may lose protection over time. Finally, some people assume automated platforms replace attorney advice. UpCounsel provides legal expertise, but beginners who ignore consultations or contract reviews risk mistakes that can be costly. To use UpCounsel IP services properly, define your needs clearly, conduct preliminary research, discuss costs upfront, plan for ongoing management, and rely on attorney guidance. Avoid these mistakes and your intellectual property will be protected efficiently.